got, Carson? Grandpa Sketty? Yum.
That's a long noodle. You have yours. Are you looking at the napkin? Do you need a napkin? I think you might need a full bath after this. You want more? You want some more? Here, I'll give her a bite. A bite? Is it good? What's that face? Is it good? Oh, she just slurped it and went phew. A little milk to wash it down? Oh no. Here, drink. Why are you making me do it? Hands too dirty? Too slippery? Done?
Whoa. What's on your tummy? Oh, you got some noodles you're saving for later?
Little dance. Little dance. Mmm. Just like Mommy and Aunt Titi.